Use Newton's method to approximate a root of the equation, boom, as follows. Let x1 be 0.1 be the initial, go to find x4 and x5. Okay, so we take this equation. Basically, I'm just going to jump this to the other side because you've got to get it equal to 0. Newton's method's all about getting it equal to 0. So minus arctan, that'll be equal to 0. So then this is my function. This is f of x. I'm going to type that into the Desmos calculator, the graphing calculator, and make a table and find x4 and x5 starting at x1 is 0.1. So here's the Desmos calculator. Go on your home page, click that, the Desmos calculator, graphing calculator link. And when you do, you'll get this and then put in a table. I showed on an earlier video. You can go back to the first video in the homework. And I showed how to basically put the function in there. I typed in the function on the first one. I used inverse tan, the same as arctan. And then I hit the plus button. When you hit the plus, it allows you to choose a table. I put in this table. I typed in these new titles at the top. That's F prime. There's Newton's formula. Then I just started with 0.1, like they told us to, right? Said x1 is 0.1. Start there. Put in 0.1, and I got this answer. Then I type that in right here. I type that in, boom, it gives me all the way to here. And I grab that, type in the next one, it goes all the way down to here. Grab that, type it in, it goes da 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 da. Grab that, type it in, da 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 da. And so there's our answers. So this is x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. So these are the two they're asking for, x4 and x5. And so there they are, x4, x5. And so that's all there is to that. Again, if you want to see more details about making that table, go to the first video in the homework. And otherwise, the video on problem number 1. But there we go.